Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. If you are wondering unfollow everyone at once, unfortunately, it's not possible. But there are things you can do to start over. So, while you can't bulk unfollow natively in the TikTok app, there are few workarounds you can try. Here's how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Within the TikTok app, it's not possible to unfollow everyone at once. You can, however, unfollow individuals' accounts. If you're not following too many people, unfollowing each of them in turn won't take too long to do. Open the TikTok app, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap Following. You will see a list of the accounts you are following. To unfollow someone, tap on Following next to their name. The button will change to Follow, showing that you are no longer following that account. Then, repeat the process for any accounts you want to unfollow. If you're following a large number of people, unfollowing them all one by one isn't a practical option. Even if you have the time, not following more than 200 accounts in quick succession could lead to your account being flagged by TikTok. The good news is that there are apps you can use to unfollow everyone. These apps automatically unfollow accounts you're following over a period of time so that your account isn't flagged up for suspicious activity. These apps often charge for their services. If you don't want to pay to unfollow everyone on TikTok, you can use a free Chrome extension that will unfollow all of your accounts for you instead. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.